What is up, guys? Welcome to Chile, my 17th country. I am here in the capital of Santiago. I just got here this morning. Here in my place. It's a pretty nice place here that I got. And this place for 3 nights was 234,000 Chilean pesos, which is around 255 US dollars. So not a bad deal. And I don't know what I'm going to do today, but I'm just going to go out and hit the streets and see what I get into. So here's the Plaza de Armas Square. Sorry, there's a police car in my way. This is where the coup happened in, I think, 1971, and it kind of changed the Chilean government forever. Quite a nice area though, and a lot of people out. So that is a really beautiful church. I did not realize you could go inside of it. And overall, this is actually just a really cool area down here at this square. Santiago definitely feels a bit European, just given the architecture. You can see like the stone streets. But so far, I'm actually really enjoying the city. And thankfully, it's heated up a little bit because it was cold when I arrived this morning. So here is La Moneda Palace. This is where President of Chile's offices in this building right here. You see Chile's flag all around, one up there, and then all over here as well. I'm curious if you can go inside or not. Here's the side of the presidential palace building. Hola.
Hola, buenas.
¿Tú hablas inglés?
No.
No, no much? Oh, okay. Can we go inside? Inside here? Is it possible?
El código QR. Ahí.
Oh, okay.
No, no, no. Ahí.
Oh, I see. See that? Sí, I see. Okay. Gracias. So here's a view from the other side. And you see the massive flagpole with Chile's flag on it. I have to say, this city so far is very clean. Like, I really haven't seen a lot of trash. Like, you can see the grass is very well maintained, the roads are very nice. That building back there is still the presidential palace. Look at all these buildings. Noticed a lot of modern buildings here in Santiago so far. Of course, there's a McDonald's. Might have to try that later, but this one doesn't look to have any seating. I was not expecting to see a Burger King either. There's supposed to be a few local restaurants. There's a wine shop. Chile is known for their wine. There's also a Dunkin' Donuts. There's actually quite a few American franchises, like especially American fast food franchises here in Santiago. So this is Santa Lucia Hill. It's a very popular place here in Santiago. See, this looks so European to me. I remember almost doing a similar hike to this in Poland. I mean, almost identical. You see the mountains back there. Santiago is surrounded by mountains. It's basically in a valley. I started down there and I hiked all the way up here. There's another good view of the mountains. You can see them way back there in the distance on there. There's a playground here in this park. Got some inflatables, some playground equipment, and these guys are building a trampoline. So this is the view from the top of San Cristobal Hill. You can see the entire city.
Va a salir la moto,
It's super cool up here in the mountains. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this view from Chile. I really have enjoyed this country so far. So stay tuned for the next one. It'll be out soon.